Hey guys, back here another video. Today I got for you CT200U Coleman mini bike, and I got some Go Powersports package for the video, unboxing video, and showing y'all what I'm going to be doing to this mini bike for right now. Well, first off, I got to get new brakes, and I got to put some new bearings in the back wheel. They were kind of dry, so I went ahead and got it, and I got a new chain for the jack shaft setup right here, where the clutch part is. I'm going to open this box up for y'all. Here's the new 420 chain I bought for it. The back wheel bearings right here. Then these should be the brakes. Right here is the brakes. It's got a nice good new pad. Now the old pad, I'll show you these. I think water got in it and it froze and broke it. Here's the old pad. Came off this one. The other one's kind of got some. It's got some good meat on it still. And I'm probably gonna change the oil on this thing, and then should be ready to ride. Oh, and I greased the steering shaft on it because it's been kind of. And I tightened it too because it was kind of wobbly and stuff. So, and I greased the shaft where it'd be nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna oil the clutch, put some grease, bearing grease, but I always use what they said in the manual. Grease the clutch there, and then I got some Honda chain lube I'm gonna put on the chains after I done get them on, and she'll be ready to ride. And guys, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like button, and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more of these. And also go to gopowersports.com for your go-kart and mini bike needs, or any other etc. Because there's all kinds of stuff Go Powersports can do for you. And make sure to check them out, subscribe, hit the like button, and see you on the next video. Stay tuned.